Hello, lovely viewers. Today, we're here to help you navigate the world of window treatments and choose the perfect option for your space. Let's dive in. Blinds and curtains are both popular choices for window coverings, offering different styles, functionalities, and aesthetic appeals. So, let's explore the unique features of each to help you make an informed decision. Blinds. First up, let's talk about blinds. Blinds are versatile window treatments that come in various materials, including wood, faux wood, aluminum, and fabric. They offer precise light control and privacy, allowing you to adjust the slats to let in just the right amount of sunlight. Benefits of blinds. One of the key advantages of blinds is their sleek and modern appearance. They create clean lines and a streamlined look, making them perfect for contemporary interiors. Curtains. Now, let's shift our focus to curtains. Curtains add softness, texture, and color to a room, enhancing its overall aesthetic appeal. They come in a wide range of fabrics, patterns, and styles, allowing you to customize your decor to suit your taste. Benefits of curtains. One of the biggest advantages of curtains is their ability to add warmth and coziness to a space. They can make a room feel more inviting and comfortable, creating a sense of ambience and style. So, which should you choose, blinds or curtains? Well, it ultimately depends on your personal preferences, the style of your home, and the specific needs of your space. If you're looking for precise light control, a modern look, and easy maintenance, blinds may be the way to go. However, if you prefer a softer, more traditional look with added warmth and texture, curtains might be the better option for you. And there you have it, blinds versus curtains. We hope this comparison has helped you narrow down your choices and find the perfect window treatment for your home. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration.